Alright, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today we are going to be going over how I like to prepare for the week ahead. So what this kind of insists of doing is we're going to start off by marking out our buy side and sell side liquidity from the day prior. So what we'll do is you'll first go to the PM session. So we're looking at Friday right now. So for Friday, the PM session is from 1:30 to 4. So we're going to find the low from 1:30 to 4. And if we look here, the low would be these. So get this. And this will be called PM sell side liquidity. Let's make sure these charts are cleaned. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that'll be PM sell side liquidity. And then the high for that would be at over here. And then this will be called PM buy side liquidity. And this helps us to kind of determine where the market's gonna go to once New York Stock Exchange opens tomorrow. So what you can also do is, what I'm also gonna do is mark out the AM lows and highs in case these are nowhere close to it. So for the AM, that's from 9:30 to, hold up. PM 1:34, AM, yeah, 9:30 noon. Okay, so you'll mark out the AM then, 9:30 to noon. Looks like this will be the AM. These are basically like equal lows right here as well. So this will be called the AM sell side liquidity. Okay. And then we also wanted to find the buy side. So buy side would be the high to noon. Looks like it'll be right here. Okay, and then what we can also do is we can mark out the London lows and highs. That'll be from 2 to 5 a.m. So tomorrow morning I'll probably do that as well. And I don't know, this just gives us more confluence as also where the market's going to seek liquidity out in the market. So as you can tell, we're pretty overextended from all of where the liquidity needs to be taken out from. So yeah, we'll just kind of see what happens with that. But yeah, and then I'll go over to higher time frame, see where the week kind of wants to go. So if we look on the weekly, we can see that gold is currently bearish right now. So what I'm expecting for gold is we maybe do some chop right here, and then we fill this 50% mark of this weekly fair value gap, and then we continue going up. My bad, I messed up that last step. So yeah, that's kind of the analysis for gold. We maybe see a little move up right here. Maybe we even take this right there. And then we go back down, fill this 50% mark of this weekly fair value gap, and then we go up higher. And then what I'll do is I'll drop it down to the daily time frame. Yeah, we also got a daily imbalance right here. Daily. So yeah, as we can see right here, the daily is daily's bullish. Daily is bullish, but we did just sweep these highs right here, so that's good. If we can see, we have a bullish fair value gap right here that got filled 50%. I don't really see any like other high important areas like fair value gaps, maybe retracement in the market that we could go towards. So yeah, then I'll go over to 4-hour. Right here, we can see that we have something. So we had this big 4-hour move up that just got big candle down. So what we can do is we can mark out this. This will be a 4-hour 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So I'll mark that out. Hopefully we can get a 50% mark right there. And then we can look for shorts. Maybe if we sweep some liquidity. We could also go to like the highs and lows. Find out equilibrium for that. So then we can also drop it down to the hourly if we want. This is also an hourly imbalance, but higher time frames have more probabilities of working out. So we'll keep it at the 4-hour. And yeah, that's basically it. So what I would be looking for would be overall, I have a bearish bias on it. I would say that this might be the start where we start going, if you've seen, we have a nice, turn off magnet. We have a nice slow, just continuation up. We have a big move up, a little bit of chop, and then big move down. Hopefully we can then fill this 50% and then continue going lower. So, as for liquidity that I see that could be taken out, we're not really close to anything, to be honest. So, what that means is maybe we don't take any trades then tomorrow. We'll see where market ends up tomorrow morning. Maybe we create maybe we end up creating like a London high over here, and then market opens right here. We end up sweeping that London buy side liquidity, and then we look for a short entry, and there you go. Or maybe we start off like over here, and then we end up going up, sweeping AM buy side liquidity and PM buy side liquidity, and then we can continue going lower from there. So we'll just see what happens. Let the market come to you, basically. Just draw everything out beforehand. But yeah, this is basically what I just like to do, guys. When just making my plan for the week. So, yeah, we almost tapped into equilibrium right there. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you guys could learn something from this video and maybe just apply the concepts to your trading. You guys will see this tomorrow morning, probably at noon. I'll be trading live tomorrow. I want to start trading live more, so that you guys can follow along. So just be on the lookout for those in the future. But I'll see you guys in the next one.